If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for Alibaba, and earnings was released back here on, I believe it was Thursday, the 26th. Looks like they did pretty good. I mean, what else do you expect? It's Alibaba, right? Anyway, bunch of noob investors started cheering because Alibaba had a nice pop-up, but not if you are a chart reader and you know, if you put things into perspective, that was nothing. I can show you back here on March 16th, there was a 36% gain in that one day, 37% gain. So that was a bigger bump up, and there was no earnings or no news or whatever. It was just the market was oversold, extremely oversold, so it was due for a pullback to the EMA. You can see there was another bounce right here. You can see the market closed right here, opened up right here. It was a 11% pop up, but again, prices did sold off the rest of the day, but still a nice gain. So there's a bunch of pullbacks in these downtrends. Don't get fooled. Overall, the pattern is still down. One day is not going to change anything, but this does show bullish action, at least in the short term. You can see that we did find some type of support again at this $82 level, so prices had a hard time breaking through it before, back here in early May, and then we kind of came back to it during this week, and we cannot break it, so prices bounced up, trapped in some shorts, thinking we're going to break down lower, but we inevitably went up. So it looks like we came back to stop out the short sellers right here, and so we could see a little bit more continuation of this up move, possibly up to that $100 psychological level once again. So there was this measured move in play. This is almost reached. This was the first leg up. Usually the market moves in twos, and the target I have is right at the $97 level, $97.50. So we can probably get there next week, Tuesday or Wednesday, if the continuation occurs, and possibly even reach the $100 level by the end of the week. Even if we do exceed that, the next target I have is right at the start of this down move, and it's right at the 110 level. So that's the next target that I would have for this continuation. It does look like prices want to come back up higher, but again, let's take things into perspective. This is a huge downtrend, so none of these bars or even pullbacks might not even stand a chance. So but it does look good in the short term at the very least. So let me show you guys the overall pattern. Let's go ahead and make this orange, and I'll make the overall pattern yellow, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about more clearer. So this is where I'll draw the channel from, right from the swings, drag it down, drag the bottom down. So it looks like this is the downtrend channel working lower. You can see that all these price bars are inside of it, and the lines and the price bars are respecting the lines on this channel. So that's how you know you're drawing it correctly. You can see that we were having trouble breaking through that $82 level, so if we can't break it, we're probably gonna do the opposite, which is reverse. So that's what we got. Looks like we could see continuation from this up move, possibly up to that $100 level, if not maybe the 110 level, but nothing's really bullish unless we see a break outside of this pattern. This is where we want to go. This shows signs of weakness in the downtrend, and eventually this will tell me that the downtrend is probably coming to an end fairly soon. So maybe we do get two legs up in the next couple of months. So if this is the first leg up and all this was a correction, short sellers had a tough time breaking through that $82 level, maybe they want to go upwards, and this was probably what they would be targeting, that 130 level, and it's back up to a strong resistance point in the past. So This could take a couple months to play out. We don't even have to do that. I mean, we could get rejected from the $100 level like we did back over here. So we'll just have to wait and see. But as right now, it looks like I'll be more bullish than bearish because we could not break that $82 level, and we saw a nice pop up. So I think they want to at least continue this up move, excuse me, to these levels that I have addressed previously. And maybe in the future we break this channel, and then that shows signs of weakness in the downtrend, and then we could probably be a little more happy. So that's all I have for the daily chart. Let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for Alibaba, and you can see that this week was very bullish. We did find some type of support at that $82 level. Like I said before, prices are having a hard time breaking through it, so I think they want to pull back the market higher until we find resistance. So we could be in this type of phase right here, the pullback phase, like we did numerous times before in this downtrend. So that's what we could be seeing right here. Probably pull back to that EMA, which is right at the 108, 107 level on the weekly, with this weekly chart. But again, we're still below it. So even if we do come up to it, we could find some resistance. So just because even if we get up there, that doesn't mean it's bullish at all. So just a long way to go. But at least in the short term, we could be experiencing something like this, these pullbacks in this downtrend. So that's all I have for Alibaba. I'll give you guys an update next week. Maybe I will report back once we probably hit that $100 level or that 110 level. So thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.